Yeah.
And like eyes.
Yeah, their eyes are closed. They're sleeping. Oscar has eyes. Mommy has eyes. Watch your toes. Grandma has eyes. That's right. Grandma has eyes.
Auntie has eyes too. That's right.
Daddy.
Daddy
And
has
Daddy
eyes.
too.
Yeah. Oscar has eyebrows. Grandma has eyebrows. Auntie Sheena has eyebrows. Yeah.
Daddy.
Daddy does have eyebrows too. Yeah. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going?
Daddy.
Daddy's upstairs, not downstairs. That's downstairs. Daddy is upstairs. Yeah. Can you tippy toe for us?
Tippy 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 toe, tippy 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 toe.
Oh, I get to tippy toe with you?
Tippy 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 toe.
Oh, he wants me in
Oh,
there.
we go in the tent.
Okay. What do we got in here? Oh, toys. Oh, toys. Oh, get this out. Buzz Lightyear. Buzz. Whoa. Uh-oh. Look what I found. Where is that Oscar?
Hey.
Where is he? Oscar. Oh, hi, Oscar. Are you my little friend?
Yeah.
You are? Oh, kiss. Yes. You a nice boy? Who's this? Is this your friend? Is he a pirate? Can I eat his parrot? Meow, meow, meow. Oh, I want to eat him. I'm hungry. Meow, meow, meow.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, I won't bite you. You're my good boy.
Yeah.
Okay. Here's your teddy bear. Is this your teddy bear?
Yeah.
Oh,